Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. My goodness, I have a lot to talk about. Okay, so I checked the email, right? My email, and it said, check out your app for something special type thing. So I went over to my app and oh my gosh, lo and behold, there is like something exciting brewing. So let me go ahead and show you a picture of it right here. Okay, friends, let's go over here. Something sensational is coming this fall. So now this was over in the app. So if you have your app, this will be inside your app, this little like preview right here. It says, hold on to your basket. We've got a big surprise tomorrow for our rewards members. Hint, you'll have loads of fun, ... Okay, so this is pretty much, I feel like this is letting us know it's going to be laundry detergent. Okay, so it could be, I'm thinking 4 items. The more I'm thinking about this, when I first saw this, I was like, okay, laundry detergent. But actually, there's many things it could be. It could be scent beads. It could be, for the laundry, it could be dryer sheets. It could be liquid fabric softener, or it could be, liquid laundry detergent, or maybe even powder laundry detergent. So if it is liquid detergent, those bottles can be really big, right? So I'm trying to think, how would that work? Will it be online only? Because I don't imagine seeing that in store. I think it would just take up too much space, right? Too much like footprint in the floor, on the store floor. It'd just be too much. I think the actual bottles, because those again can be really large. If it's scent beads, I could see that in store. I totes can see that in store, you guys. Like that would not take up much space. And it'd be really fun to see that. And also laundry, like dryer sheets, would be also something that would be kind of compact and wouldn't take up much space either. And or fabric softener, because you can get the fabric softeners in like those travel sizes, smaller sizes. Again, I could see that being offered in store as well. So those are kind of things I'm kind of like rolling around in my head, like what will it be tomorrow? Also, pricing, how much will this be, right? So like scent beads, the more I think about it, I feel like it's going to be scent beads. I feel like it's going to be scent beads because it says coming this fall. Now, the nail polish, they're dipping their toes, Bath and Body Works, in a bunch of different items for like they even have vitamins right now. And so the nail polish is actually sold out right now online. So I'm wondering if they're going to, bring more of the nail polish back in. But yeah, I feel like they're really expanding their like territory of like different items to choose from. So yeah, something sensational is coming this fall. So I'm going to go over to the website right now. Let's talk about a little bit about the website. And you see the little circles on this little preview of the picture, something sensational. It looks like bubbles, right? Like laundry bubbles. So yeah, anyways, it is really fun and I'm so excited about this. So let me go ahead and switch over to the website right now. Okay, friends. So let's go over to the website. Now, if it is if it is a laundry item, I think Laundry Day would be a really great safe choice, right, for a laundry detergent scent. This is a really nice, clean scent. What it smells like: a basket of laundry fresh from the clothesline. Fragrant notes are fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, and soft lavender. Now, if it's scent beads, also Laundry Day would be excellent choice as well. And there's a couple other like sun-drenched linen, which I would think would be a really great choice for a laundry item, right? Because it really does smell so clean, like a laundry. It just is so good. See right here what it smells like: just wash laundry on a sunny summer day. This is one of my favorite candles, really. I love this scent. It is like a powerhouse, super duper strong, you guys. Like this one is amazing. So, but it says it's coming this fall. So again, I'm wondering if it's going to be fall scented related, like pumpkin pecan waffles or blueberry pancakes or, Thanksgiving. There's all these, fall scented items, blackberries and basil. I hope that one comes back in a candle. There's a bunch of different choices. So yeah, so I wanted to mention that, you guys. This is so exciting. I'm like really excited about this, like really excited about it. Also, I want to show you, look at this, all sold out, all sold out. And I did click into here to see if there's any reviews on these nail polishes right now, and there's no reviews yet. So because I'm curious on how how nice these are as far as like, do they chip or how do they apply? Like, I'm just really curious to that. They're beautiful colors. So that's really fun. I'm really excited about that. Now, next up is I want to talk about a couple other things that are happening today. The flash sale, there's going to be a flash sale today only. It's online only, $5.95 for your 2-pack of fragrant refills. So there's a couple of online exclusive that if you want to order online, they do have those here, the online exclusives, like lavender vanilla. Let's see what else they have. Actually, I think lavender vanilla is in store. I think when they say online exclusive, it's the 2-pack, right? The 2-pack. But by the way, you know, since SAS is coming up, I have a feeling we're going to see a lot of 2-pack of wallflower refills again for SAS. So that's something to look forward to as well. There was a lot of choices the last SAS that we had, the Christmas SAS one, the winter one. There were so many choices of the wallflower refills at a really, really great price. And as far as wallflower plugs, nothing really new over here in the wallflower plug department that I haven't already shown. Now in the candle holders, you guys, oh my gosh, so candle holders. Let me go over to the candle holders. I love candle holders. So this is what they have for candle holders. I didn't spot anything new today that I haven't, again, already shown. But yeah, they have some really great choices. There's, oh, look at that. The heart's back. What? The sparkly hearts are back? Okay, so the sparkly hearts are back. Wow. That is new. I mean, it's not new, but we didn't, yeah, that's not... This was from Valentine's Day, right? Like now that I'm starting to like doubt myself, I have to look back at my older videos because I didn't get this one from Valentine's Day. This can't be a new one, right? Like this is not a new one. I got to look back at my old videos, you guys. I mean, for my Valentine, because I don't think I got that one. I might have, but I feel like this is new. What's happening here? It's early in the morning, you guys, so bear with me here. Bear with me. Okay, and then the bunny candle holder is $20.50. And so they do have some Easter items here, which will be, I'm sure, at SAS for a much better deal than the $20.50. But yeah, I'm excited about that. So yeah, there's that. Let me go ahead and go back over to the main page here. Also, today is the last day for $14.95 for the 3-wick candles. So that includes all like the new candles, like Firecracker Pop. And you know, a new feature they've added is they actually have candles, like they have a realistic looking image here of like a candle burning. I think that's so cute. You see that right here? Like that. It looks so cute. Like the flames are actually moving. Well, now it's not moving because I zoomed in. I don't think so. But yeah, it is really cute. Why is it not moving? Why are the flames not moving all of a sudden? But yeah, so they have all of these at $14.95. There's the Firecracker Pop. And yeah, so there is, oh, there's only one image of that. Okay, so $14.95 for that. And then again, all of these new summer choices. Then there's also going to be the mason jar styles. Single wicks are going to be $8, and they're all listed here online. And I'm not sure if that sale ends today, goes through today or not. I don't know if I don't think it would go through tomorrow. It's been going on for a few days now, the $8 deal, for several days actually. So I'm surprised this sale has actually lasted a long time. This $8 single wick sale for the mason jar. But yeah, you guys, so there's those deals that are happening today. Buy 3 get 3 free. Again, we've got the new candles, so many choices, the new hand soaps. So excited about that. And again, the men's body care. Yeah, there's a lot going on here today on the website. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. Like there's just like, again, this is what I love about Bath and Body Works. I feel like there's something new every single day. Like every single day, I'm never disappointed. I'm always like so excited and eager to see what is new every day. You know, it's just really, really fun. And oh, another thing I want to mention is the Mother's Day gift bag is still a purchase with purchase type thing going on right now. So it has not been clearanced or marked down yet. It's still $45 with any $40 purchase. I was really hoping that that would be, you know, the price would go down on that after Mother's Day, but this one's still holding strong at $45 with a $40 purchase, which is still a good deal. But since it's after Mother's Day, I was thinking and hoping it would reduce the price, just like the other, you know, box sets and stuff like that for like Christmas, and even those really pretty I almost said towels, but blankets. Like I bought those at full price with purchase. Those eventually dropped in price as well. I think fairly soon after they were released, like after just like a few weeks, those dropped down in price. So I was hoping that would be the same for the Mother's Day tote bag with the little goodies inside. So anyways, you guys, I think that's probably going to wrap up this website walkthrough today. I'm so excited, you guys, like so excited about what's to come here with this something sensational. I would love to hear what you guys think it'll be. It's going to be like a total, my wheels will be turning all day today thinking, what could it be? What could it be? But again, I feel like it's going to be one of those 4 items that I mentioned. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Stay tuned later today. I have a try-on haul I did at Lane Bryant. So really, I'm excited to share that video with you guys. I found some really beautiful clothing there. And yeah, I did like a little dressing room try-on haul. So would love for you guys to check out that video. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, a huge thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have a beautiful Sunday, and I will see you all very soon. Okay, friends? So till next time, take care, okay? And God bless. I'll see you all soon. Bye. See you soon. Bye.